If I gave you two choices, option A, take $1 million right now. Option B, take 1 cent that doubles every day for 30 days. Most people choose the million, but the tiny 1 cent becomes more than $10 million. This is the power of compound interest. And if you don't understand it, you will work hard your whole life and still stay stuck. Stay with me for a few minutes and you will never look at money the same way again. Welcome to Money Dictionary, where we turn complicated money words into simple, clear explanations. Today's word is compound interest. Part 1. The simple idea. Imagine a small snowball on a mountain. You roll it down, and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. That is compound interest. Your money earns interest. Then that interest earns more interest. Slowly at first, then suddenly it feels like magic. Part 2. Simple vs. compound. Take $10,000 at 10% simple interest. You earn $1,000 every year. It grows slowly in a straight line. Now, $10,000 at 10% compound interest. Year 1, $11,000. Year 2, $12,100. Year 3, $13,310. Each year grows faster than the last. That's the difference. Simple interest gives flat. Compound interest gives curve. Part 3. Why starting early wins. Meet Alex and Sam. Alex starts investing at $20, $50 a month for 10 years, then stops. Sam starts at $30, $50 a month for 30 years. Same return, same amount per month. But Alex still ends up with more money because he gave compounding a 10-year head start. It's not about how much you invest. It's about when you start. Part 4. The curve your brain can't see. Compounding feels slow in the beginning. You look at your account and think, is this even working? But after a certain point, the numbers start jumping. First, the growth feels boring. Then it feels unbelievable. Part 5. The dark side. Compound interest also works against you. Ignore a credit card at 30% interest. Pay only the minimum. And your debt grows the same way. Interest on interest on interest. Compound interest is a tool. If you use it, it makes you wealthy. If you ignore it, it makes you broke. Part 6. How to use IT. Step 1. Start small, start now. Even $10 a month is better than zero. Step 2. Put money where it compounds. Index funds, mutual funds, retirement accounts. Step 3. Be consistent. Invest every month. Don't touch it. Let time do the heavy lifting. Think about your future self. The version of you at 40, 50, or 60. Will they be stressed or free? Every dollar you invest today is a message to your future self. I'm taking care of you. If this helped you understand compound interest, don't stop at information, take action. After this video, write, "This is how much I will invest every month." For more simple explanations of money words, subscribe to Money Dictionary. See you in the next video.